Welcome to my channel. This video I'll be teaching you how to easily become an Amazon bestseller, how to do Amazon bestseller book research, and with this strategy you can easily double your revenue and double your income. Also, I'll be showing you how to verify a book idea to know if the book you're publishing is sellable, people are willing to buy, people are willing to pay for it, so that you don't just publish a book that people are not willing to buy. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button to get notified whenever I drop video like this. So without further ado, let's get started. So these are the key points you need to carry out bestseller book research. These are the key points you need to know to carry out bestseller book research. So the first thing is look for a BSR of less than 15,000. So what's BSR? BSR is simply bestsellers brand. That's the Amazon bestseller brand. So that's how that's how Amazon rank this book that is selling, the book that is selling on Amazon. So look for BSR of less than 15,000. The second one, look for a book title with clear and predictable content. Okay, look for a book title that is clear and predictable content. Calculate the BSR to know the number of books sold daily or monthly. So if you check all these things so that you have a clue on how much you'll be making if you get into that niche. So the fourth one is verify the book idea is profitable or less competitive on Amazon. So you don't want to get into a niche that is very competitive, that has a lot of competitive bestseller. It will be very difficult for you to be ranked in that niche. So the other part is how to verify a book idea to know if it's profitable or not. So I'll be teaching you the practical guide on how to do all these things in this video. So let's get started. So okay. So the very first thing you need before you start Amazon research, before you start the Amazon book research, is you have to install a bestseller master clone extension so that it will be easy for you when you are doing your research on Amazon. These are the extensions you need on your system, or if you are using phone, you need those extensions. Install BSR master clone extension. Let me show you. BSR master BSR. Okay, this extension you will need. So make sure you install this extension to be very easy for you to carry out your research, to make it very easy for you to carry out your Amazon book research. You see, while we move on. So that's that. After I get that, so the next thing you need is you go to Google and type, depend on the niche you are publishing on. If you are publishing non-fiction, if you are publishing fiction or non-fiction, you go to that niche. You go to search the niche. For instance, I'll be searching Amazon non-fiction. So if you are publishing fiction, so you don't have to put non-fiction, just type Amazon fiction bestseller list. Okay, so for this video I'll be using Amazon non-fiction bestseller list. So this is it. So here, let me click on the first one here. So these are the bestseller list on Amazon non-fiction. This first 100, these are the niches, these Amazon niches that you can get into. So these are the bestsellers on Amazon non-fiction. The bestseller on Amazon non-fiction. So before you start your research, you will have known the niche you want to enter. For instance, if you want to publish a book on children's non-fiction, if you want to publish a book on money, business and money, biography and memoirs, computer and technology, whatever niches you decide to publish a book on is here. So you have to decide on that one before you start. But take note, the three largest niches in the world is the wealth market, the health market, and the relationship market. So these three niches, they are evergreen markets. So you can tap into that or choose another niche. This law niche, history niche, whatever niche is there on Amazon for you. So get started. So the first thing is look for BSR of less than 15,000. So because of I have BSR Chrome extension on my phone, on my system, is already bringing out the BSR of this book on Amazon. So this book now is ranked 1 on Amazon. You can see it's ranked number 1 on Amazon. This one is ranked 11 on Amazon. This one is ranked 34 on Amazon. This one is ranked 53 on Amazon. So the extension will easily place the rank of those books on Amazon for you, so that will make it easy for you. So the very next thing, so we want to look for BSR of less than 15,000. Okay, so let's get started. Let's say, let me choose one niche. Let's say okay, let's say business and money. Business and money. So this business and money. These are niches under business and money. These are niches under business and money. So we want to niche down. We'll niche down. Let's say organization behavior. Okay, let's click on that. If we are niching down, so this organization still have another 3 niches under organization behavior. So we are niching down. Organization learning, let's click on that. So that's the last niche. So if you publish on this niche now, you can easily rank on Amazon. If you publish on this niche, because you niche down to the last niche. So this is the best selling book in that niche. So this one has BSR of 20,000, 26 is no go area for us. We are looking for 15,000 downward. So this 51,000, 56,000. These are high BSR. So what do? Go to another niche. Let's check this organization changes. The BSR is loading. Fine. Then that's 34. I think it's only one that has a healthy BSR for our research. Let's check the workplace. Fine. So these are BSR that we can still work on. So now 613, this 6,083. That's 13,000. So these are the BSR we can still work on. These are BSR we can still work on. These are no good area for us, unless you are doing Amazon ad. If you are running Amazon ads, you can still work with 40,000, 30,000 BSR, because the advert will rank your book. So what do we do? Let's say we want to work with this one. You can see all the information with the help of the Chrome extension that I've installed on my system. So the second step is look for a book title with clear and predictable content idea. So this book for me is the title is not that clear. The title is not that clear for me. The title is not that clear. I don't know if this is a book cover. So let me check this. Here, this one, powerful phrases for dealing with difficult people. So you can see is this book, if you check inside, it should be all about communication. It's all about communication. So I think this one is okay. The title is okay. So let's work with this one. So the third point is calculate the BSR to know the number of books sold daily, so that you know the amount you'll be expecting even if you get into this niche. So let's go to Amazon. Click on that. So this is Amazon website, official website. So you come here and click Kindle store. It's loading the Kindle store. Okay, so what's the title of the book? Powerful phrases for dealing with difficult people. So let's type it there. So this is the book title. So this is the book title in the image. So for you to rank easily on Amazon, work with niches that have less than 600 competitors. So for this niche, it has 1 to 16 of 73 niches, so 73 competitors. So it's very healthy. It's very healthy for you. So if you hop in this niche, it will be very easy for you to rank. It will be very easy for you to rank in this niche. Very easy. There are not too much competitors. There are not too much competitors in this niche. So the BSR is 13,250, which is okay. So now let's verify the amount that this person is selling per day, the amount this person is making every day or every month. Let's verify that. So what do you go to Google again, type BSR calculator. BSR calculator. So you copy the BSR 13,252. So BSR 252. You can calculate. So this person is selling 20 pieces per day, selling 279 pieces every month. So let's check for books. That's Kindle. That's paperback. This book is for paperback. The ebook is for Kindle. Okay, so calculate Selling 296, just two difference. Selling 20 every day, 20 copies every day, 20 copies every day, which is still okay. Which is still okay. So this book now is, you can easily publish around this book title and get yourself ranked on Amazon. You can easily publish around this book and get yourself ranked on Amazon. You write a compelling book content around this book title, you can easily ranked on Amazon. So let's check this source as well. Unreasonable hospitality. This book is sold for $15.99. So let's check how much this person is making every day. What's the BSR? Let's check for the BSR. $13,822. Calculate. This one is selling 19 pieces every day, so it's selling 285 pieces every month on Amazon. So these are the things you need to know to carry out your Amazon bestseller book research. These are the things you need to know to carry out Amazon bestseller book research on Amazon. So if you implement all this idea, you can easily rank on Amazon and easily become bestseller within a couple of months or weeks that you publish your book. So thank you for staying put to this moment. I'll see you in the next video.